Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I perform a professional brow lamination using the Curacoro CysteFlex System. We go through the entire process together. Along the way, I will share my techniques, processing tips, and the small details that help create clean, consistent, and long-lasting results. For today's demonstration, I'll be using the Curacoro CysteFlex System powered by cysteamine-based. It's a gentle alternative to traditional thioglycolate-based system while still delivering beautiful lifted, healthy-looking brows with excellent flexibility and shine. So gather your products, make sure your client is comfortable, and let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the brows. As with any brow service, proper preparation is essential. Begin by removing any makeup using a gentle, oil-free makeup removal and micellar water. Then cleanse the brows thoroughly with a lash and brow shampoo to remove any remaining oils, skincare residue, sweat, and debris. Once the brows are clean, access the natural hair growth, density, and direction. Take note of any spare areas or uneven growth pattern, as this will help you to plan your styling later in the service. Next, apply a small amount of barrier cream or petroleum jelly around the perimeter of the brows. This protects the surrounding skin from potential irritation during processing. Remember, less is more. Apply only a thin, even layer. Too much barrier cream can prevent the perm solution from penetrating the brows hair. Step 2. Applying the perm solution. Now we are ready for the first chemical step. For brow lamination, we'll be using Step 1 Perm Lotion from the Curacoro CysteFlex kit. The purpose of this step is to soften the brow hair by breaking down the disulfide bonds, allowing us to reshape them into a new direction. Using a micro brush, lip wand, or a small applicator, apply a thin, even layer of the perm lotion throughout the brows. Concentrate mainly on the roots and mid-length, where restructuring is needed most. Avoid oversaturating the tips as they are more delicate and can become overprocessed. Once the lotion has been applied, cover the brow with cling film. This helps retain gentle warmth and allows the solution to process more effectively. Recommend processing time, please follow this chart. Step 3. Shaping the eyebrows. After the processing time is complete, gently remove the perm lotion using a dry cotton pad or applicator. Do not use water at this stage. Now it's time to shape the brows. Using a brow comb or spoolie, brush the hair into the desired direction. Whether you're creating a fluffy, lifted brow or a soft, natural finish, work carefully section by section. Avoid scratching the skin underneath with a spoolie. Instead, use gentle, controlled movement while brushing the hair upward. To create more natural flow, follow the 90, 75, 45, 0 angle technique. 90 degrees at the front of the eyebrow, 75 degrees through the body, 45 degrees approaching the arch, and 0 degrees at the tail. This technique creates a beautiful, balanced, and natural looking brow. Take your time during this step, as the hair direction you create now will determine the final result. Step 4. Applying the fixing lotion. Next, we apply the fixing lotion, also known as neutralizer. The purpose of this step is to rebuild the hair bonds and lock the brows into the new shape. Apply an even layer of the fixing lotion directly over the brows, while keeping every hair in its desired position. Once applied, cover the brows again with cling film to help maintain the shape during processing. Processing time are the same as the first step. If any hair shifts during processing, simply use your brow comb to gently guide them back into position. Once the processing is complete, removing the fixing lotion carefully with a dry cotton pad or applicator, using light brushes so you don't disturb the shape that you just created. Remove any unwanted hairs outside the shape using tweezers or wax. Step 5. Brow mapping. Now let's map the brows. Start by cutting a piece of Curacoro pre-ink mapping string. The highly pigmented ink creates crisp, clean guidelines with minimal pressure. First, mark the starting point of each eyebrow using the center of the nose as your reference. Next, angle the string from the side of the nose through the iris to locate the highest point of the arch. Then align the string from the side of the nose to the outer corner of the eye to determine the brow tail. Finally, connect all your guide points to create clean, symmetrical brow outline. Step 6. Brow tinting. Tinting is optional, but it's one of the most requested finishing services because it enhances the definition of the brows. For today's demonstration, I'll be using Bronze Sun Cream Dye System. Mix the brow color and develop per 3% inner 1:1 ratio until smooth. Using a Curacoro brush, apply a thin, even layer of tint with a gentling stamping motion, making sure to stay within your mapped brow shape. Watch the color carefully as it develops. See the processing happen quite quickly. Once you reach the desired depth of color, gently remove the tint with damp cotton pads. Step 7. Nourishing the eyebrows. Now it's time to restore hydration to the brows. After any chemical service, nourishing the hair is essential to maintain its strength, flexibility, and shine. Apply step 4 nourishing serum throughout the brow using an applicator or brush. Brush the serum from the root upward while maintaining the brow shape you created. There's no need to rinse, simply allow the serum to absorb naturally. This nourishing step helps replenishing moisture, strengthen the hair structure, and leave the brow looking healthy and glossy. Step 8. Finishing touch. We almost finished. Clean the surrounding skin with a damp cotton pad to remove any remaining product and reveal a clean brow area. If necessary, tweeze or wax any stray hair to further refine the shape. For additional definition, apply a small amount of concealer underneath the brow to sharpen the lower edge and make the shape stand out beautifully. Finally, perform a complete brow assessment with your client, check the symmetry, shape, and color together. Then hand them a mirror and invite their feedback. Making any final adjustment before they leave ensures your client walks away feeling confident, happy, and excited about their beautifully laminated brows.